Hi, I'm Chandler with Dordan. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about innovations in algae waste. About 10 years ago, Dordan thermoformed algae plastic. It was supplied by Algix, who essentially was harvesting algae waste from wastewater treatment facilities and other titans of industry, responsible for contributing this nutrient-dense material to the environment, which can make its way into natural waterways. It's called eutrophication. It creates algae blooms, which essentially rob the water of oxygen, and it devastates the ecosystem. So Algix harvested the algae waste, they dried it, they ground it, they extruded it into a polypropylene master batch, and then we thermoformed it. Our trays were really well received by the industry, but the material never met, full-scale commercialization. The infrastructure was in its infancy, and economies of scale just were never achieved. It was unable to compete with the traditional petro-based materials on the market. So fast forward to present day, and my friend from Algix contacts me and tells me that they're launching a new product. It's called Bloom Foam, and instead of extruding the material for thermoforming, they're foaming it. And it's actually being used in a sustainable shoe. The name of the company is on my blog. Not only are they using algae foam in the insoles, but they're also using recycled plastic water bottles and ocean-bound plastics. I'm going to talk a lot more about ocean-bound plastics in another post, but I just wanted to congratulate Algix for continuing to innovate and take a material that is an environmental nuisance and repurposing it as something with more value. So congratulations. Thank you guys for listening, and I look forward to next time.